Hello guys, in this video we will once again revise how to divide the polynomial with binomial, but little differently. In the previous video we have just divided by the polynomial with the binomial with no coefficient, means there is a value of variable x, coefficient is 1. But in this video we will consider so many variables with the coefficient. Now let us take the example. We have one example, 3x square minus x minus 6, we have to divide it by 3x minus 7. For this, once again we will do the same thing. We will divide two parts, one for the quotient, one for the divisor and one for the dividend, and we will write the coefficient of the dividend like 3, this is for x minus 1 and this is for minus 6. Now in this part we had to write this 3x minus 7. Now since on our first video we have studied how to divide with when the coefficient is 1, here also we will divide with one coefficient, but here is a 3. So first work we have to take 3 as a common. So if we will take 3 as a common, so this will become x minus 7 upon 3. Now whatever the same process, whatever we will do, the same process we will apply for this division also. So since this is minus 7 upon 3, so it will become plus 7 upon 3. Keep this as it is, there is no changes. So take common and keep as it is. Now once again this is the first coefficient, so take it down, first coefficient. Now multiply these both together to make a second coefficient. So 7 upon 3 multiplied by 3, 7 upon 3 multiplied by 3, 3 and 3 cancel, so 7 left, so write down 7. Now minus 1 plus 7, it becomes 6. Now again 7 upon 3 multiplied by 6, 3 2 ja 6, 7 2 ja 14, so this goes, 14 goes here. Now minus 6 plus 14 is 8. The same process will apply here, but we have taken common as a 3. So we will divide these by these two, only these two. Why? Because remainder will unchanged. We will not divide remainder. Here we can see this is the quadratic, this is the linear, so remainder definitely there is a, this is the remainder with the no variable sign. So 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 and 8 as it is. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So our quotient will be x plus this is 2 and this will be the quotient and remainder will be 8. Now we can take another example also. We can take another example. The another will be, we can take little different, little harder. We can say we can take little harder, 2x cube plus 5x plus 6 divided by 2x plus 1. Now here we can see x to the power 3, but x square is missing. So first we will once again rewrite the equation with all the variables power, 2x square, 2x cube, sorry, then 0x square plus 5x plus 6. Now this is the complete equation and we are going to divide with 2x plus 1. Same process, we will divide in two portions, one for the divisor, one for the dividend. Once again we will write this 2, 0, 5, 6. This is 2x plus 1, so 2x plus 1. Now take common 2 because we want to make 1 as a coefficient, so x plus 1 by 2. Now here since this is the plus, so here we will write minus 1 by 2. First coefficient we will keep as it is without any change. So again this will 2. Now minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 produce minus 1, and 0 minus 1 we will add together to produce minus 1. Now this minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 by 2 becomes plus 1 by 2. Now 5 plus 1 by 2 become 11 by 2. Now again multiply. This 11 by 2 minus 2 is equals to minus 11 by 4. Now we will add these both. So it will produce 13 by 4. Now since this is our first work completed, now for the second work we will divide this by only for the quotient, not remainder. Now for the choosing quotient we can verify from here. This is 2x and this is 2x cube. Definitely x cube divided by x is produce always x square. So x square, x constant, and this will produce, this is the remainder. So the process 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 11 by 2 divided by 2, and this is remainder as it is. So 2 by 2 1, so x square minus 1 by 2 x plus 11 by 4, and the remainder is 13 by 4. So we can see here, this is the very simple and easiest method to find out the variable. Okay, so from here we can get the quotient as well as remainder along with our solution. This is the synthetic method that was used by our Vedic mathematics, and this is a very simple method. This is written by the Swamiji, and the name of the book is Vedic Mathematics. So we can take the book and we can read it, or you can see my videos for the further study. Thank you.